Hey folks, Mark.West with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to talk about the Heritage Glen 378 Forward Living. Come on, let's go inside. First off, we've got the solid steps. That's the brand and that's the style steps. Everybody likes these. I'm going to have you look upstairs. Upstairs in the back of this unit, there is a bunk bed. 2 bunk beds with a little bunk room. In the back we've got the main bedroom. If you want to go look in there, we've got a high quality queen walk around bed. Lots of windows, little slide out for the bed. Nice dresser over here, big drawers, nice roller bearing glides. Got some cabinets over there and room for the TV. Over here we have washer and dryer hookup. So a nice bedroom, roomy. Out here we've got our bathroom with a big shower, nice cabinets, stainless steel sink. There's your toilet. Let's come through here. We've got the kitchen. There's your dinette with 4 chairs. Nice attractive light, lots of windows. Here you've got an island with a big stainless steel farmer sink. Nice adjustable faucet. Here's your 3-burner stove, as well as an oven. Nice drawer that matches the oven, microwave, fan, light. Here's your fridge, a Dometic fridge and freezer. You've got a fan up above, keep it nice and cool in here. And up here you have the front living area. So we've got 2 recliners. We've got 2 jackknife sofas that fold out into beds. Both of these fold out into beds. We've got a nice entertainment area with a big TV, Jensen stereo system, lots of cabinets for storage, air conditioner. Once again, lots of windows for a lot of nice daylight. Very attractive unit. So here's your front door. Here's your power awning. You've got 2 slides on this side. Here's your pass-through storage. Marine grade speakers. You've got your battery would go in there. Front storage, as well as your spare and another battery. Your auto leveling for your jacks. Here's your double propane 7-gallon tanks. Here's the other side of your pass-through storage. It's got your shoreline power cord. Your shower, you've got a shower head, hot and cold, city water connection, fresh water connection, all the water. Here's your hot water heater bypass valve, cable TV hookup, satellite hookup. Here's your water heater. You've got 3 more slides on this side, so this has a total of 5 slides. Got a double axle. So folks, this is the Forest River Heritage Glen LTZ 378 FL, which is front living. Come see me down at Guaranty. Ask for Mark. Direct line 541-913-3780. Thank you very much.